Creating your own server on Discord using your phone is a pretty easy thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you how to do it properly. So let's dive right into the video. So first thing is open up your Discord application if you have one. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can install it using the Play Store. So once you are in your Discord application, you will see tiles on the left hand side. Make sure you go and tap on the plus icon. Here you can create your own server. Just click on create my own. So once you click on create my own, you will have two categories. One is for club or community, and the second one is for me and my friends. So select the one that suits your requirement and then give your server a name. It should be a cool one so the people don't get bored by just the name. So once you decided the name, just type it right in and then upload a photo for the cover of the server. So once we're done with that, all you have to do is to tap on the create server button. So just tap on create server button and you will be good to go. So once you do it, you will see add some people option. Here you can add your friends, the most frequently you talk to, and then if you don't want to do that, just skip that step and just dive right into the server. So that's how you can create your server. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.